Hi, I'm Krishna. This is day 21 of 30 days on understanding the modern AI stack. In the last video, we talked about state. How AI systems like ChatGPT and Gemini remembers what's going on across messages, even when the model itself has no memory. In this video, moving one layer deeper into the brain of AI systems. This is something almost every real production AI uses, but most beginners like me don't even know exists. Reranking and caching. These two ideas make your AI assistant faster, cheaper, smarter, and sometimes 10x more accurate. So let's break it down. When you ask a question in a RAG system, like what is X, the vector database does its best and returns the top chunks. But embeddings are not perfect. Sometimes they bring irrelevant chunks, semi-related fluff, sentences that feel similar but aren't answering your question, or multiple duplicates. So we end up with context that is blah blah. And if the retrieval is blah blah, then the final answer is also blah blah. Humans faced this issue immediately when RAG became popular. Researchers were like, these random answers look correct, but the grounding context is weak. Why did it choose this useless paragraphs and why does it ignore the important lines? तो खोजकर्ताओं ने कहा, okay, retrieval needs a second pass, a smarter judging step. And that's how re-ranking was born. So what is re-ranking? Think of it like this. You search for best laptop on Google. Google shows you 10 websites. You click the first one blindly? No. You quickly scan the titles and pick the most trustworthy. That scanning, that deciding, that choosing, that is re-ranking. Your vector DB gives the top 20 possible answers. Re-ranking picks the top 5 best ones. Now here's the technical magic behind it. Re-ranking uses another model, a different transformer, that takes the query and each chunk together and scores how relevant they are. This is not embedding similarity. This is full attention comparison between query plus document chunk. The model literally rechecks each chunk. Does this chunk actually answer the question? Or is it just vaguely similar? That's why re-rankers feel almost like a human judge, reading each paragraph and deciding this one is good, this one is bad, this one is perfect. Now let's talk about caching. Caching is much simpler. Caching is don't do the same expensive work twice. If you ask the same question twice or a very similar question, but the agent needs the same tool output again. Instead of computing everything again, the system just returns the saved result instantly. Let me give you a simple everyday example. You know, Netflix loads your profile picture instantly. That's caching. Or how your phone remembers your Wi Fi password. Caching. Your brain also caches. Like you don't relearn how to walk every morning. AI systems do the same. If you already computed embeddings, reuse them. If you already retrieved chunks, reuse them. If you already answered the question, reuse it. If the agent already called the weather API, reuse the result. Caching makes your system 10 times faster and way cheaper. So here's the final picture. Rewriting fixes your accuracy and caching fixes your speed. Together, these two bring your RAG or agent from slow, expensive, unreliable, hallucinating to fast, cheap, accurate, and stable. This is the invisible engineering that makes AI products actually usable. In the next video, we'll learn something else. See you in the next video. Let's do it.